Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Jake 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in the AI Toolbox Empowering the Learner series, where we provide you with the tools, resources, and guidance to help you navigate the world of artificial intelligence. In our previous episode, we explained the key differences between AI models, tools, and platforms and their respective use cases. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most important resources at newbits.ai, our AI Solutions Marketplace. Whether you're just getting started or already familiar with AI, our marketplace is designed to help you find the right AI models, tools, and platforms for your needs. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the AI Solutions Directory? The AI Solutions Marketplace at newbits.ai is a comprehensive directory designed to connect you with a wide range of practical AI solutions. Whether you're looking for beginner-friendly tools or advanced models, the marketplace is your go-to hub for exploring AI technology across various fields. The directory features a growing collection of over 180 AI solutions across 6 key categories: language, data, audio-vision, healthcare, robotics, and gaming. It's designed to make it easier for users like you to discover, review, and connect with AI models, tools, and platforms that suit your needs. Here's a quick breakdown of the 6 main categories in the marketplace. Language AI includes natural language processing models, chatbots, and translation tools. Data AI features tools for data analytics, big data processing, and data visualization. Audio-vision AI, this category includes AI solutions for speech recognition, image processing, and computer vision. I myself am an example of audio-vision AI, generated with advanced AI technologies by newbits.ai. Healthcare AI, discover tools for medical imaging, patient data analysis, and health monitoring. Robotics AI, explore autonomous systems, robotics control software, and simulation platforms. Gaming AI, features models for game development, player behavior analysis, and procedural content generation. One of the key features of the AI Solutions Marketplace is its intuitive search and filter options, designed to help you efficiently find the solutions that meet your needs. You can browse and filter by solution type, choose between AI models or AI tools and platforms. Proprietary versus open source, select whether you prefer proprietary or open source solutions, depending on your use case. AI category, focus on specific categories like language, data, robotics, or any of the others that interest you. We also feature recommended AI solutions, which are highlighted models, tools, and platforms. At newbits.ai, we're dedicated to making AI accessible and providing you with the tools you need to succeed. The AI Solutions Marketplace is one way we help you explore the many possibilities AI has to offer and find the solutions that are tailored to your needs. So, let's take a test drive of the marketplace and see how it can help you in your AI journey. Each listing in our directory provides an overview of our AI solution, along with a clickable link that takes you directly to the provider's website or resource page. You can read insights from other users who have experience with these solutions, helping you make informed decisions. To make your search even more efficient, we've included intuitive browse and filter by options. You can filter by solution type, choosing between models or tools and platforms. You can also browse and filter by AI category, allowing you to focus on specific areas like language, data, robotics, or any of the other categories that interest you. Additionally, you can discover featured solutions, highlighted models, tools, and platforms recommended by newbits.ai. By providing these features, we aim to save you time and help you tailor your search to find exactly what you're looking for. At newbits.ai, we're dedicated to supporting your journey into artificial intelligence. The AI Solutions Directory is just one way we help you transform bits of information into breakthroughs of understanding. In our next episode, we'll explore the topic of open source versus proprietary AI solutions, where we'll discuss the benefits and challenges of each and how to choose the right solution for your project. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.